Hi, my name is Ms. Lai.
And I'm Mrs. Clark.
Welcome to Math Moment number 3.
Today we're going to play a game called 10, 20, 30.
The only materials that you need for this game are a deck of cards. You can play this game anywhere.
Let's play! To play 10, 20, 30, put out a whole deck of cards face up on a table or the floor in a random order. The players take turns adding the cards together to make the number 10 to start with. Kings, queens, and jacks can be any number that you want. You may take 1, 2, or 3 cards to make 10. The player with the most cards at the end of the game is the winner. Let's begin. Miss Lai, how about you go first?
Sure. How can I make the number 10? Well, I think I can use the 7 and the 3 because 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I'll take those 2 cards. Mrs. Clark?
I see 6 plus 3 makes 9 plus 1 makes 10.
She has 3 cards and I have 2. I want to get more. So let me see here. I have a 7 and I will take a 2 and a 1. That equals 10. I'll take those away.
I would like to use a queen as a 0. So I'm going to take 0 plus 10 equals 10.
Lastly, I think I'm going to try a 6, a 3, and a 1 to equal 10.
Continue playing the game until all the cards are used. Miss Lai, how many cards do you have right now?
Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. It looks like Miss Lai is the winner.
To make this game more challenging, try to make the numbers equal 20 or 30. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide. We'll show you how.
I know that 2 times 5 equals 10, so I'm going to start with that. Plus 10 more equals 20. But I'd like to get as many cards as I can, so I'm going to say that 2 plus 3 is 25, and 4 plus 1 makes 30.
Mrs. Clark, you have a bunch of cards there. How am I going to try to beat that? Let's see. I think I'm going to try adding. I can get a lot of cards that way. So, I'm going to use a 1, a plus 3, plus 6 equals 10. I'm going to turn the king. No, I don't think so. I'll take the 10. So I have 20. And then 7 plus 3 equals another 10. So then I have 30 altogether.
That's a lot of cards, Miss Lai. All right, let's try one more time. I know that she used a lot of cards, so I'm going to try really hard to get more cards than her. So I'm going to say that 5 plus 5 equals 10, minus 10 equals 0, plus 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus 9 plus 1 equals 20, And then I'm going to say 2 times 3 is 6 to make 26, and 4 makes 30.
Mrs. Clark, you almost used up all the cards.
Well, now you know the kings, queens, and jacks can be any number, so you might have to use some of those.
So, let's see. Now I'm going to try to mix up my operations as well. Let's see. I'm going to add 8 plus 5 plus 7. So I have 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 7 is 20. Then I'm going to say that a jack, because there's no other threes, 3 plus 6. I'm going to make this king a 1 because I don't see any other ones there. So that should equal 30. I think that's the best I can do right now.
So we would continue to play until all the cards have been used, or until we can't play anymore and can't make any more questions. And then, just like the last game, we would count up how many cards each person has, and whoever has the most cards would be the winner.
Have fun playing.